I'm about to ruin this perfectly white t-shirt. You might ask me why. Well, this is an experiment. I tested 3 fabric dyes on cotton t-shirt and one of them gave me a weird problem. So here you can actually see the cotton stripes starting to appear through the fabric. That pattern is coming out really nicely in this color. Now I'm applying a second type of dye. This one is a deep blue, so the tone is a bit darker and richer than the first one. Right here I'm using tulip dye, and honestly there is one thing I didn't like about it. It leaves these little undissolved dye fragments on the t-shirt. So if you're using it, you actually need to dissolve the powder in hot water first and then mix it with the rest of the water. Otherwise, those fragments stay in the dye. At this point, I'm just finishing the design because the top area didn't really look complete yet. So I'm adding a bit more dye to balance everything out. And by the way, I definitely used way too much dye here. But the stripe pattern that came out is actually pretty interesting. So this is how it looks right now. If you want to see what happens after the fabric dyes and the final result of the design, subscribe and check out part 2.